To sort Best Places neighborhood rankings. Start by understanding the criteria used to evaluate neighborhoods. Best Places considers factors such as cost of living, education, employment, and crime rates. First, visit the Best Places website and select the city or region you are interested in. You will be presented with a list of neighborhoods, each with its own ranking. Next, identify the specific criteria that are most important to you, such as schools or safety. Best Places allows you to sort neighborhoods based on these criteria. So click on the relevant category to reorder the list. For example, if you are looking for the safest neighborhoods, click on the crime category. The neighborhoods will be rearranged to show those with the lowest crime rates at the top. You can also use the filters to narrow down the list based on other factors, such as home prices or population density. This will help you to quickly identify the neighborhoods that best fit your needs. Another key concept to consider is the overall ranking, which takes into account all of the criteria. This can give you a general sense of which neighborhoods are the most desirable. To get the most out of the Best Places rankings, consider visiting the neighborhoods in person to get a feel for the area. Talk to locals, observe the condition of the homes and streets, and get a sense of the community. By combining the Best Places rankings with your own research, you can make an informed decision about which neighborhood is the best fit for you. Remember to prioritize your needs and consider multiple factors when evaluating neighborhoods. By following these steps, you can effectively sort Best Places neighborhood rankings and find the perfect neighborhood for your needs.